Namaskar friends, how are you all? In today's video we are going to the past. In the history we are going to search that what the Winston Churchill, the one who is regarded as the bad person in the Indian history, and he is what his words what said in 1948 tells about the truth of the present days, the very sad situation of this country, and it is certain that we are going to be left with nothing. This is the thing. You know what media anchors are doing? They are just busy in collecting TRP so that they can earn a small amount of money. Very sad situation is this. They are running behind the country, behind the key, behind the money, and the people of India are suffering. No one is suffering. The government is not suffering. Only the people, the citizens of India are suffering only, as no one is suffering. Let me tell you what Winston Churchill has said in 1948. He has said that the coming government of India, the person who will rule the India will be duffers. This is the word he used. He said they will be rascals and they will tell very hard lies. And those lies are certainly going to drive India into a big ditch from where India will not be able to come out in a small time. It will take really long time, and this is what he said in 1948. And in today's scenario, we can see that this is all seems to be certain. All seems to be certain. The very sad situation is there. Do you know how many persons who are fighting, contesting the elections have the criminal record? I have told in previous video. Please go and watch that. Very sad situation is there in India. He said that the persons who will rule this country, they will be very polite, they will speak very sweet words, but they are not going to behave in that way. They are just going to drive India into a very bad situation from where there will be no escape for Indian youths and Indian people. They will enjoy their life lavishly, but the Indians have to be suffered. Very sad situation is of this motherland. I don't know what hell is going to be happen in the coming future. What the hell the government is doing? He said this in 1948, and look the today's scenario. But there are also the bad things that he have said. One of the bad thing is that he called Mahatma Gandhi fakir. Very sad thing. Very sad thing is of our country, and there is nothing certain that what the coming future will be like. How the coming generations will survive in this country. He has also said one more line, that the day will come in India when the air and water will be taxed. Very sad. The air that Indian breathe, that will be taxed. Water is taxed. Certainly everyone knows, but he said that the air that Indians breathe, that will also be taxed. We hope that such day must not come, and we should find an alternate. But who will be the alternative? This is the question, and it seems that no one will be the alternative. Because in the VR election, the data certainly shows that every political party has given the ticket to criminals, the persons who are having some criminal background. You know what the Supreme Court can do, but the Supreme Court, everyone knows, is a puppet of central ruling government. If the Supreme Court reads this data, and certainly they must have read, and someone must have said this in the court, but if they are not under any kind of control or any kind of dominance of any government or political party, they can bring suo warranto and they can stop the elections that are going to be contested in the Bihar. This is the power of Supreme Court. But sadly, the Supreme Court is not hearing anything. It has also become the puppet of central government, and central government is playing it and manipulating it, diverting it in any direction in which they want, according to their needs. Very sad thing. They can bring suo moto, but they will not bring. This is the fact. Everyone can do everything, but no one will do anything. Very sad situation. From here, there is no escape. If we have not fought, then it is certain that we will be paying a very big penalty against all this. Very sad thing is there. Very sad situation is there, and there is no escape. What we people can do, we have to do. We should choose every political party by comparing it with the previous governments or any other things. We should not give votes, we should not choose any political person, any candidate on the basis of caste, creed, place, reason, religion, etc. We should not go into the emotional gameplay that political parties are playing. We should not go with the emotional things, emotional lollipops that the governments are giving, that the political parties are giving. Seen in VR what the election manifesto of BJP said. They will give free corona vaccine to the all Biharis. But what about other countrymen? Did they not come under their control? Very sad thing is there. They are just playing emotional games with us, and they are just spreading the emotional nets, and we are going trapped and trapped and trapped in all those, my friends. This is very sad. At last, I want to say that one thing only: don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Thanks a lot if you have watched till here. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.